Trolls, all about the trolls. Welcome to Troll Village. It's the coolest place to sing, dance, and eat cupcakes. There are friendly trolls of all shapes and sizes. They all have awesome talents and make Troll Village special. This is Poppy. She is the perky princess of Troll Village. Poppy is bright and cheerful. She loves to sing and dance. She also loves to hug. She hugs her friends every hour on the hour. Branch is gray and grumpy. Branch is always worried. He lives by himself in a super secret bunker. Branch does not like singing or dancing. He is definitely not a hugger. Cooper has pink striped fur. He plays the harmonica and loves to dance. He is the most playful troll around. Cooper likes to go wild on all four legs. Sweet Biggie is the biggest troll and has the biggest heart. He is almost 8 inches tall. Biggie has a cute best friend named Mr. Dinkles. He loves to dress Mr. Dinkles in cute outfits. Sandton and Chanel are fashion twins. They are connected by their hair. Sandton is pink, Chanel is blue. They make super stylish outfits for every Troll Village event. They may look alike, but they never dress alike. DJ Sookie is the Troll Village music mixer. She brings her own music to every party. This guy is Diamond. He never wears any clothes, but is covered in glitter from head to toe. His glitter brings a sparkle to any party. Maddie works her hair magic. She runs the hair salon. She helps every troll look amazing. Creek is cool and calm. He is a great yoga teacher, a groovy dancer, and a kind friend. He always knows what to say to cheer up the other trolls. Meet Burt. He is hard to understand through all that hair, so the trolls just have to guess what he is saying. Smidge is a tiny troll with a big voice. She is very fit, thanks to her favorite hobby, lifting weights with her hair. Harper loves to paint. Her hair is the best paintbrush. Paint flies everywhere when she creates amazing art. Karma loves camping, climbing trees, and playing with critters. They love playing in her garden of hair. Sybil is the wisest troll in Troll Village. She is a great listener, but her advice can be a little silly. Not everyone is as happy as the trolls. The Bergens are unhappy creatures. They think eating trolls will make them happy. King Gristle is the king of Bergen Town. He wants to bring happiness to his kingdom with trolls. He can't wait to eat one. Chef is a whiz in the Bergen Town kitchen. Her favorite troll recipes are troll cakes and egg trolls. Bridget is a maid in the kitchen of the castle. She is sweet and kind. No one pays attention to Bridget. Then the trolls give her a makeover. She becomes the fancy little glitter sparkles. Lady Glitter Sparkles. Poppy and her friends teach the silly Bergens how to be happy without eating trolls. Poppy wants everyone to share their true colors. Thank you for joining us today. For more great books, make sure you subscribe to our channel.